Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we will see how to change your area on DoorDash. Let's start this video. So open DoorDash application. So once it's opened, you have to click on your profile over here. Now you have to scroll down and then click on addresses. So from here you have to search your address or area. So let's say I want to add this Queensway area in my DoorDash. So I will just click on it. You can also add apartment and entry code also, then click on save. Now click on addresses again. So from here you can see I have successfully added my area. If you want to edit it, you can just click on this pencil button and you can change the pin or you can adjust it from here. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe this channel.